Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're performing an oil change on this 2021 Chevy Equinox to keep it running smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're a DIYer or just want to know more about your vehicle's maintenance, this guide has you covered. Let's jump right into it. Alrighty, so here's what you need. 6 quarts of oil filter, filter wrench, and a ratchet with a 15mm socket. Alright, step 1, warm up the engine. First we'll warm up the engine for a couple of minutes. This helps the oil flow out smoothly when we drain it. In this case, I've already done mine, so let's jump right into step 2. After warming up your vehicle for a few minutes, make sure to park on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and safely lift your vehicle with ramps or jack stands. Never work under a car without proper support. Step 3, we're going to drain the old oil. With your 15mm socket wrench, loosen the drain plug. Be sure to position the drain pan underneath before fully removing it. Let all the oil drain completely. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Once drained, reinstall the drain plug and tighten it securely, but don't over tighten it. I'll make sure to leave the torque spec for this vehicle. Just like so. Alright, just step 4. Replace the oil filter. Now, locate the oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it. Some oil may still drip, so keep the drain pan handy. Before installing the new filter, apply a small amount of fresh oil to the rubber gasket. This ensures a proper seal and prevents sticking. And now, hand tighten the new filter. There is no need to over tighten it. I've already lubricated the gasket. Now I'm going to place it here. And just an extra reminder, hand tighten the filter. There is no need to over tighten it. Alright, now that's tightly secured, you can go ahead and use either brake cleaner or Dawn dish soap. In this case, I'll be using Dawn dish soap to spray the area, cleaning off the remaining oils that has been left behind. Alrighty, now that your drain bolt is tightened and torqued to the correct spec, your oil filter is secured, and the area is clean from oil residue. Now let's head over to the motor so that we can refill the motor with new oil. Step 5. Out with the old, in with the new. With the old oil drain and the new filter installed, let's add in the fresh oil. This Equinox takes a 0.20, about 6 quarts of oil. Alright, let me finish the extra 5 quarts and I'll get right back to you. Now that there's fresh new oil, let's jump right into step 6. Step 6. Start the engine and let it run for a couple of minutes. Check under the vehicle for any leaks and make sure the oil pressure light is turned off. Now, let's head underneath to make sure that there is no leaks. And step 7, final check and disposal. Once the engine is off, check the oil level one last time and top it off if needed. Also, remember to properly dispose of your old oil. Most auto parts stores accept used oil for recycling. And that's it. An oil change for your 2021 Chevy Equinox. Regular maintenance like this keeps your engine running at its best. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.